Shemai! This is a tutorial for 3 little birds and hopefully will help you with our ukulele play along video that matches this one on our Ukuleleans channel. Alright, it's a nice easy song. It's one of the first we learn in school. It's got 3 chords. So the first chord is a C chord. The second chord is an F chord. And the final chord is a G7 chord. Now if you're not sure how and where to play those, if you look at the chord charts, it'll show you which strings and frets to press, and the numbers even indicate which fingers to use. You might also notice that there are different coloured ukuleles playing along. That's because in school we use different coloured stickers on our ukuleles to help learning. Okay, the strum pattern, it's a nice simple one. As I said, it's one of the first songs, so just down. You can use your thumb, nice and light, or your first finger, whichever you prefer. Okay, let's have a little look at the song. Let's play through the song. So, we're starting on a C chord, and remember the strum pattern is just down, 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 all the way through. Here we go. Get ready. Da 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 dum. Da 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 dum dum. Don't worry about a thing. Get ready for your F, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing. Get ready for your F again, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning. Okay, G7. Smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds. Back to F. Perched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs. G7 again. Of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. You can see the patterns now, same all the way through. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning. Okay, G7. Smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds. Back to F. Perched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs. G7. Of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Now it does change here to F, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. And then we just fade out, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. So, I hope that has helped. Don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe to Ukulele Wales and our other channel, the Ukuleleans. Thanks very much.